Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's largest oil refiner, ENEOS Holdings, aims to raise at least 400 billion yen, $2.61 billion, by listing its wholly owned metals unit in what could be the nation's biggest IPO in 7 years. Oil prices settled down more than 2% after US President Donald Trump took the first big step towards diplomacy over the war in Ukraine he has promised to end, a war that has supported oil prices on concerns about global supplies. Proposed laws to create strategic Bitcoin reserves in the US could drive as much as $23 billion in demand for BTC if passed, according to an analysis by asset manager Van Eck. Van Eck analyzed 20 state-level Bitcoin reserve bills and found they would require state governments to collectively buy approximately 247,000 BTC if enacted.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 10 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 7 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 0:01 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.